So, what does commercial laser tag equipment really cost?
Spoiler alert, it's less than a bowling alley, way less than a roller coaster, and pays back faster than you'd think. Stick around, I'll break it down, and I'll also tell you why buying cheap gear is the most expensive mistake you can make. Let's cut to the chase. If you're watching this, you'll want to know one thing. How much is it going to cost me to get into the laser tag business? That's the million-dollar question. Here's the short answer. Less than you think. And here's the long answer. It depends. Don't you just love it when people say that? Yep, it depends. Not the squishy consultant, it depends, but the real world kind. It depends on your business model, your ambitions, and whether you want to build a serious long-term business or you want a side hustle. If you're just starting out, running birthdays or small mobile gigs, you'll want about a dozen taggers. That's around 12 to 18 grand. Done. No need to sell the family car. If you're planning something bigger, schools, camps, community groups, then you'll want more firepower. Say 24 to 30 taggers. A few game props, software, the works. That'll be in the ballpark of 25 to 45,000. And if you've got the full Hollywood blockbuster dream, big arena, 40 plus taggers, scoreboard, professional setup, yes, you'll probably need to spend 60 or even 100 grand. I know of a family entertainment centre who budgeted on $1 million for their laser tag arena, and that was just a small part of a huge indoor theme park. Sounds like a lot? Sure, but compared to roller coasters, VR rides or go-karts, laser tag is a bargain. Why? Because the ROI, return on investment, is fast. I've seen parks boost their yearly sales by 17%. I've seen operators who've paid off their kit within months. Better still, with Battlefield Sports live action gaming engine SATA, you can do this with minimal staff training, no consumables, and zero licensing fees. Once you own the gear, that's it. No hidden royalties, no subscription traps, just rugged, battlefield-tested kit that keeps earning event after event. So here's my advice. Start with the number of taggers that fits your crowd and your budget. And remember, commercial laser tag isn't just affordable, it's one of the fastest payback attractions in the entertainment industry. If you've found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more straight talk about running a profitable laser tag business. And if you've still got questions, drop them in the comments. Now, go on, start plotting your battlefield.